Come on, let's try Daddy.
Matt, it seemed like the weather really didn't slow you guys down at all. We were able to come out and game plan.
Look like.
And screw it. Keep going. Oh, good job. Are you unscrewing it? See, Daddy, I working. See, Daddy, I working. I working.
Okay.
Okay. Should we put it in here? Put it in here. Put the screw in there.
Cool.
Put the screw in there. Good job. Oh, we gotta put the other end.
The
other
nut.
end. Put the nut right here. Right there. You put it on there? Right here? Good job. Got another.
Okay.
Take that screw off too.
Up.
Off.
Cool.
Screw.
No.
Where should we put that one? Should we put that one over here? And put it in one of those holes?
Oops.
What color is that? What color is this?
Red.
Red? What color you have? Yellow?
Okay.
Yellow?
No.
Yellow? Green. Good job. Red?
Broken. Green.
Just put this in here. Push. Push. Push it. Good job. Where's the star go? Can you find the star? Where did the star go? Where did the star go? Can you find which one the star goes in? One more up. Go up. There you go.
Car.
Star. Yep, you're almost there. Good job!
Star.
Yay,
Star.
star! And do it again. And put the star in there. Yellow star. Yay!
Car.
Yellow star.
Oh.
Should we do the circle?
Tickle.
Here's a circle. Find the circle. The green circle. Nope, not that one.
Good.
Yay! Good job.
Circle.
Circle.
Yellow.
Yellow. Can you find the yellow one? Where's the yellow one? That's red.
Good.
Blue?
Blue.
Blue. Red?
Good. Yeah.
Brown.
Good. Good.
A hammer?
Hammer. Hammer.
Hammer.
Good. Yeah. Ooh. Hammer. Hammer.
Hammer?
Hammer.
Here's your hammer.
Hammer. Hammer. Black.
Black.
Good. Hammer. Open. Good.
Where's the heart go?
Good.
Can you find the heart? Where's the heart go? The red heart. Can you find the red heart? One of these three.
See.
Oh, go back to that one. Almost there. Try again. Good job!
Cow.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
Moo. Good job. What's this? What's this? Is that, what is that?
Cow.
Horse. What does a
Okay.
horsey say? No, nay. What's this?
Fish.
What does a fish say?
Dad. Daddy.
What does a fish
Daddy.
say?
Fish.
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 Fish. What does a sheep say?
Fish.
Sheep. What does a sheep say?
Moo.
Ba.
Ah.
Ba.
Good. Book on.
What's this? What's this, Blake? What's this animal?